Hello everyone. So in this tutorial video, we are going to be answering the last question, which is question 4. So for us to get started, um, click on create circuit. Then um, in this question, they say connect a 9-volt cell with a DC motor then and a resistor. So they give us resistor of different resistivity. So now for us to get started, come over here. You need a 9-volt battery. We need the what do we need again? We need a resistor. So from the diagram here, you can see that we need a DC motor. So take observe corresponding RPM of the motor. So definitely we need a DC motor. So DC motor, and now they said observe the corresponding RPM of the motor. Calculate the voltage across the circuit at each resistor's value. Also check the current. So if you want to calculate, you want to check the voltage and the current. So we need a potentiometer for that. So we also need to know that our multimeter rather. Sorry, we need our multimeter for that. So now let us arrange let all the positive um, terminal to be up so that we could easily connect it. Okay, this is the positive terminal of this is up already. Let's make the positive terminal of this one to be up. Let us select and flip it. So the positive terminal of this, which the positive terminal is a red. Can you say positive, positive, positive? Let us also make the positive terminal of this to be up. Okay, yeah. So now let's make our resistor slant so that it will be easy for us to connect. Okay, so now what we have to do is just to connect the positive terminals together, and um, then from there we would, so let's connect this one for resistor first, and then the one for this resistor first. You don't need to worry about the shape. You can reshape it when you are done. You can see that I've reshaped this. You can easily reshape it anyhow you like. Conform anyhow design you like, and make it have curves and lines. So let's just connect it first. Let's connect everything first. So after connecting it, you can shape it to fit. This shape is not okay. Bring it down a little. Okay, good. Now let's also connect this positive terminal. Then and go this way. Then start on it. Then come down. Then tap on this place. So let's also look very okay. Let's make this one down a little bit. Yeah, really is somehow okay this way. Okay, good. So now let's connect the negative terminal. So that the resistor would line. Let's connect it. After connecting, you can just drag to shape when the shape is not okay. Just to shape it. Just shape it not okay. So that I won't waste much time in the video record. You can come back to the reshaping of it. Okay, let's connect this last one. Uh, so, so yeah. There we go. So let us color our wires. Our let's color this down part black. Let's color the upper part red. Select the wire. Then select the color. Select the wire I want to color. Then select the color. Then select the color. So now, yeah, we are good to go. You can adjust the shapes and bring everything together. So now let's go back to our question. So our question says that now firstly we should start with 500 ohms. Yeah. So we have to make the resistor 500 ohms. So you just select the resistor, you make it so put 500, then you change it from ohm, which is in by default is in kilo ohms, then you change it to select ohms. So take note of that. Then now you can click on start simulation. So from the assignment you are meant to note something down so that you'll be able to see this value. Let me zoom out. Zoom out. Hold on. This is not okay. Fine. Okay. From this stuff, we are meant to tabulate um some values from the question. We are meant to they said observe the corresponding RPM of the motor, check the voltage that meant to record the voltage of each for different resistor value, calculate check the voltage across the circuit of each resistor value, also check the current, tabulate your readings. So now let me show you how your table will look like. So this is how the table will be. You have RPM, you have resistor, which is the first one we did is 500. You have the voltage, you have the current here, the high voltage, the RPM, which is the speed of the motor, and the P. So here for our current, for us to get the current, just select this multimeter, change this to ampere. It's going to show you the current. So the current reading for this is 17.9 milliamps. So you just come to your table and write 17.9 milliamps. You are meant to tabulate this maybe in a note or something. Yeah. So for us to know the voltage, you come here and change this to voltage. The voltage is 998 millivolt. So 998 millivolts. Okay. The RPM is the speed. Is the speed of this. Here I'm having 1995. I might not actually see it well. I'm trying to zoom out this. How is it not zooming out? Okay, yeah, it's zooming out now. So this is 1000. You can see 1995. So then we put it there. 1995. 1995. So that's the resistance. It's the voltage. So that's why I have this. So now for us to get P, don't forget there's a formula that says P equals to IV, which is current times volt. So we'll be using that here. So then our P for this 500 to be P equals our high is 17.9 times, which is the 998. So let us use a line calculator. 17.9 times 998. So you are going to be getting 17,864.2. But don't forget this is in milliamps. So you have to change it to amps. You get something like 17,864.2 milliamps or milliwatts rather. So power is in watts. So for us to convert it to watts, you have to divide it by 1000. So if you divide this by 1000 by 1000, so you're getting 17.86. So 17.86, like approximately it to decimal places. 17.86. That's for our P. So that's the same process we will repeat for all other. I'm going to do one more so that this video today will not be too long. So now the next one is 1 kilo ohm. So we put one here, you come and select kilo ohms. So then you first stop your simulation for the first one. You put 1 kilo ohm, start your simulation again for another one. First, make sure you change the resistance of the resistor. So then you start your simulation. So here now we have 529. So for 1 kilo ohm, so I've written one already here. So my voltage reading on this place is 529 MV. Sorry, 529 MV. And here, for us to read the current as I've explained earlier, you select the multimeter, then you change this to ampere, be able to read your current. So we have here 8.99 milliamps. 8.99 milliamps. Then for your speed is what you show, what you are going to see here. For you to see the speed, put this back to voltage, then the stop will start rotating. Let me zoom out to show you guys the speed. So here we have 1058 RPM. So 1058 RPM. So now, as usual, for our power, which is P, so you would multiply I times V. So here we have um, 8.99 times 529 times 529 equals this. Then divide by 1000. We have 4.76, approximately to decimal places, 4.76. So that's how you're going to do for the other resistors given. So we have 1 kilo, you do for 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, and so on. So that's for this tutorial video. Yeah, let me see if I will look into it if I can drop a video on how you can plot the graph. I will also look into that. If it's possible, I'll also drop the video for that. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel and so that you get notified if I drop any other video.